Howdy folks, welcome back to Small Farm Guys, the garden edition here. As you can see, there's some storm clouds behind me. Whether they hit us or not, who knows. We've gotten a little bit of rain today, but we haven't had an actual measurable amount of rain in probably almost a month now. Like, we've gotten rain today. You can see this is the top of the soil and it's bone dry. The only reason there's any water there is because I watered 2 days ago, but so we're giving you a little update. Obviously you can see I need to get in here and weed terribly, so I'll get you an update and then I'll actually probably go ahead and weed it, and then we're going to turn the screws on the fertilizer for the corn. But so here's our green beans. We've got them coming up. The seeds, I don't know, I had to replant them. There's another one here. There's absolutely none in that second row there. I replanted them. We planted these in our garden and the neighbor's garden, and he's pretty sure it's a bad batch, so we just went ahead and replanted them. He actually bought new seeds. Then we've got our other beans here. They're doing phenomenal. You'll be able to see this better, like I said, once I weed it. Our peppers, and this is why I don't like where we get our peppers from. They really, I mean, other than aside from the weeds, they haven't really grown. And we'll get you a better day. It's what is it? It's June 18th. It's actually Father's Day. Our lettuce is doing great here. And then we've got all of our little baby lettuce plants here. And for some reason, there's no weeds there. I don't know why. And then here's our other row of beans, which are doing pretty good. But you can see, and then here's our corn. Corn, well, what do they say? Knee-high by the 4th of July? Well, it's June 18th. It's knee-high, more than knee-high here. We get out into the row here, step down. Again, still is knee-high. So what my goal is here is actually we're going to try to push it to waist-high by the 4th of July. Now we like to compete. Again, here's our peppers. You get back closer here. That's all the taller they've gotten. I don't know, I do not like where we get these peppers from. We got them this year from the same place last year, and we just have to get them from somewhere else or start them ourselves. They never put any height on, but look at how deep dark green these tomatoes are. These are our cherry tomatoes. They're hard to see through the weeds, but they're overcoming the weeds. Here's our full-on tomatoes. They're again overcoming the weeds, and these random beans we put in over here are coming. Just like there's some volunteer corn from last year, which is fine because we're using the same seed, so it doesn't matter. But I'm going to go ahead and start weeding, and then we're going to actually put some more fertilizer on the corn. And I'll show you that whole process because I'm trying to push for, well, we'll get 8 or 9 foot tall corn hopefully here. We got 90 degrees coming up this week, so we'll get the fertilizer on it. We'll get some good water on it, and then this stuff will probably put on the foot this week or close. So thanks for watching, you guys. Stay tuned. Please comment, like, and subscribe. And we're hoping this rain will hit us. We're in central Minnesota, and it's just been dry. They've gotten rain north of us and south of us, but it's gone all around us. So it's dry. All the grass is curling, and we probably aren't even going to get a cutting of hay this year. We're going to actually just have to go and mow what's there because it only got it's not even up to my boot. It didn't even get up to the top of my boots yet, which they're only like 8-inch boots, so you ain't going to be able to bale that. But there's our quick little garden update for you. So stay tuned for more.